It's the floor. It's a little new. Okay, I'm sorry. I don't know where to go except
wherever. Just make your own trail.
Isn't it fun when you're back there?
It is.
This car is a fucking champ, man.
It
I'm
is.
telling you.
I love it.
It's the best beater ever.
Well, it's so nice because it's like the air works, the heat works, you know, radio. Yeah, turn on the radio. We haven't tried that yet.
It's true.
Yeah, just don't get in my truck, please. You are the best.
It's like that way doesn't come out.
Yeah, it goes down though. You gotta be careful. I feel like I'm in Grand Theft Auto right now.
I know, I kind of do too.
Oh, radio went.
Oh shit.
No more power to it. How'd that happen?
Oh Jesus. Oh man.
Oh no, not already.
Failure.
Oh, come on. We're stuck.
Damn.
Already.
Yeah, I think something's wrong.
I think it's when we swipe that tree.
Windshield wipers don't even work. Oh, there they are. Uh-oh.
Nice.
I gotta see what's wrong with the back wheel here.
I think that, I was thinking it's got a flat, I think. Is that all it is?
When I swiped the tree,
Pushed
it pushed it back.
Oh, it's like right on it. Well, all that was protection for the tires.
Yeah,
so we
well,
should've left
yeah.
it on.
Here, we'll just put that in there. Alright, let me drive.
Why? You like my driving?
I love it when it gets awesome. You got a stick. It's got a stick. There's a stick on it. I gotta go see what it looks like on the outside.
Go up.
Does it?
Oh, this thing is great.
Oh, the mirror's totally gone now.
Oh, look at that.
You know, the lean to the driver's side.
I think it's because the tire's almost flat.
I think the suspension's toast on this side.
I don't know why. Oh,
It's gone too.
nice job. You busted the taillight out of it.
Nice.
It's hard to do that sometimes.
Yeah, it's probably got airbags and it's probably shot.
I would imagine it's got a stick through it.
Yeah, I think it does have airbags. I hear it leaking.
Four-wheel driver at its finest.
So the Mark cam right here, Crystal, and this is what we're up against now.
This is where we're at.
Oh yeah, I ran over like an 8-inch tree over here. Whoops.
So yeah, anyway,
I can't even get it parked. Oh,
I don't
We're done.
I can't get it in reverse. Holy. I'm sitting on top of this tree right here. Whoops. I guess that's it.
I don't think there's anything wrong. All right, time to get the truck. If I can get out, look at it. We're all gonna die. Yeah. Yeah.
Shoot.
Well, know what? We might be stuck.
Y'all come back now.